Manipur Ahanba Udai Aadhaar Seva Kendra SK gi loisang asi Imphal West District ki wayangwam laikai da Hangdokhre loisang Hangdokpa ki thormaduda Manipur ki Home Commissioner cum Secretary N Ashok Kumar Home Additional Secretary A Suvas Udai RO Guwahati ki Deputy Director General Ngachan Jimbek Udai RO Guwahati ki Director Colonel Abhishek Kausik, Imphal West ki Deputy Commissioner Mayanglambam Rajkumar, Imphal West ki SP Sivakanta yauna official kyana sarugyaki. Tharam aduga mari leindana Manipur lenga ki Home Commissioner cum Secretary N Ashok Kumar na hai India ki citizen amagi saktak chemasu oidiba Aadhaar asi yamna maruoiba document amani Aadhaar asi angangi school admission dagi horaga college tamlaba matung thabak toba fauba changdaba yadraba document oire. Hauzik miyamna thengnariba minglanbagi date of birth na chingma kaya semnok semjen tobada laina thabak Thokpa yaragani asoiba semdok semjin na chingbagi matangda state ki oiba gazette ama fongnana bagi thabak loisilaktuna August tha da fongnana ba thorang tori state asida Aadhaar enrollment saturation asi chada marfu taret tagi marfu nipan khaktamak oiri masi cha chahi sinodagi manga fawbagi angangsing enrollment toba watpa asina achoba maram oigani masigi matangda social welfare amadi health department katana duna thabak paikhatna ba honari haina fongdoki.
We have sensitized to the schools while doing the admission. They need to be more vigilant and take appropriate care in checking the name, surname, as well as the date of birth, which matches with the birth certificate. Because this will avoid the difficulties in future after 5 years or 10 years when they go to the board exam. Nevertheless, I once again congratulate the team. We look forward to see these kind of facilities not stop at one. It should grow more and reach out to the more districts and more subdivisions so that our people get the benefit.
Manipur state kita yadamina Delhi da sabba madar ka tawada chansar nai bai to middleman ga thongla lo paisa am logi bagi pau ju ta ba du fake oina pura paisu yaw bai bai thengna re Sigi is solved on the state government in consultation with GAD na koi process fiber or printing and stationery na phone gadgets na means the phone way ana koi modalities was using work out the way see yar matung na koi ming ho ge koting sai koi commissioner na jo happy ba koi hang mapam gi ming ga hapsel lo gi yum pan ba de am thu e sum ba ji sigi si yar na koi se koi state government is the koi sida do phongja ra di Prajada yamna kana ba the processing as I have Delhi da khangna ba letraga di Delhi the gazette phone ba the middleman ya am thola ga fake po pura ba yaurok po gi ke no ji ai athu ba matam da pai message solve to ngam ngani ya nai